Hi guys, welcome to Canadian Style. My name is Robert, and I just got braces.
My name is Robert, and I'm 16 years old.
Yeah. Oh God, don't put me in jail.
And on today's video, we're gonna make a headboard.
Headboard.
We need plywood.
Plywood.
We need buttons.
Buttons.
We need some beautiful Scottish skirt material.
Yes, mate.
And we need a foam.
Yeah, foam as well.
The first thing first.
I'm the realist.
To cut this. We do this. Nice. Look at that. We got rid of a little piece here. Let's check the timing. Oh man. Oh man, it matched beautifully. Maybe it's gonna be nice.
I think it is.
1 inch, eh?
Yeah, I think it will be good.
Alrighty, that looks promising. Where's my friend knife?
Probably in your pocket.
So how do you see? No.
As you can see,
As you can see, we have.
all the corners lined up.
This is it. This is it. Yeah.
All right, good job. Video's over.
Not so soon.
Okay.
And if you haven't subscribed.
Oh my gosh.
And if you haven't subscribed yet,
Yeah.
press button down below.
Yeah,
Don't forget the bell button.
Oh my god.
We should actually.
At the edges?
I don't know. Well, that's what I saw on a video actually. Like he was doing like this. I'll show you. No, I didn't see anywhere else.
Yeah,
This is only
yeah.
my thoughts. I
Yeah,
figure out this out. I
sure.
haven't seen nowhere how no one else does that. So
Sure. Yeah.
so we should do the edges like this, and then when you wrap it around, it makes this nice cushioning around here. Because now if you're gonna wrap it out, you're gonna feel this edge, and it's not nice. You want this, and when you put my fabric over, you see, it's gonna make like really nice edge. But that's later, because first we need to glue this one on it. Here on Canadian Stealth News,
Yeah.
first you wanna clean your plywood before you apply.
Make
with
sure
this
she clean.
Beautiful spray glue Gorilla.
Adhesive spray.
What that means?
Adhesive means glue.
No shit, Sherlock.
Yeah. Really does, man. Yeah.
We already cleaned it. The glue worked pretty awesome. How you see there's a lot of things are glued together. Nice edge. Was gonna hopefully fold in beautiful edge with the fabric. We're gonna wait a little bit so it gets good. Let's see how good it is, eh? Yeah, you'll pull it down. The battery is running out, so something like that for a while. See you when it's done. And this is how it looks. Looks pretty grandpa, but it's gonna fit in there. It's gonna be just beautiful. Now we have these beautiful buttons. And now we need just to think about a pattern. And then obviously it's gonna go in. And I'm gonna look even more grandpa.
I feel like we don't have to do a pattern. Like, if let's do these 3 columns first, and then if it looks good just straight, then we can just do it straight.
That looks really pretty, I would say.
Yeah, looks good.
Looks really good.
Yeah, I think we should just do the straight lines.
That looks so grandpa style. I love it. I love it. I use 1-inch foam, plywood, fabric, staples. That all cost maybe, plywood was $27, staples were $4, and fabric was $15 or something dollars. And here you go. You have your own custom headboard. Beautiful. Look at the details. Tomorrow we're gonna put in a camper and then we can see how it's all gonna look together. I think it's gonna look beautiful. What do you say, Ash?
I'd say it's fantastic, I tell you. Looks like it's straight from Hogwarts. Oh, are we saying goodbye?
I don't know. Are we finishing the video here?
Thank you guys for coming to watch our video building a headboard like adults. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe down below. Leave a comment, leave a criticism, leave a compliment, leave a heart emoji. We'll get back to you. We respond. We have nothing else to do.
Alrighty. Probably on next episode you guys will see how it looks in the box truck.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Hello?